Hello everyone. By categorizing agents into functional departments, Microsoft makes it incredibly easy for users without technical backgrounds to find exactly what they need. Whether an HR representative needs a tool to guide new hires through standard onboarding documentation, or a sales team requires an agent that can instantly query inventory levels and generate standardized quotes, the Agent Store is designed to provide immediate, plug-and-play solutions. Mastery of the store means recognizing when to leverage these existing assets, rather than unnecessarily reinventing the wheel by building a custom solution from scratch, optimizing both efficiency and resource allocation. Now, let's explore some key Agent Store categories and their primary business use cases, starting with human resources. For HR, common pre-built agent templates include an onboarding assistant, a policy FAQ bot, and a leave tracker. These agents are designed for automating routine employee inquiries, efficiently guiding new hires through paperwork, and instantly retrieving standard HR policies. They significantly streamline HR operations, allowing the team to focus on more complex, strategic tasks. This demonstrates how pre-built agents tackle specific, recurring departmental needs with specialized functionalities. Moving on to project management, you'll find templates like a task tracker, an agile sprint assistant, and a meeting summarizer. These tools are tailored for monitoring daily deliverable statuses, organizing sprint backlogs, and efficiently extracting crucial action items from lengthy project discussions. In sales and marketing, agents like a campaign analyzer, a pitch deck generator, and a CRM querier are invaluable. They help in quickly summarizing campaign metrics, ensuring brand consistency in proposals, and pulling specific client data without the need to open the CRM platform, thereby boosting efficiency for sales and marketing teams. For IT and support departments, the Agent Store offers templates such as a Helpdesk Triage, a knowledge-based searcher, and a ticket summarizer. These agents are crucial for providing Tier 1 technical troubleshooting to employees and instantly retrieving solutions from the IT documentation repository, significantly reducing resolution times. These examples underscore how the Agent Store provides sector-specific solutions that are ready to integrate and immediately enhance operational efficiency across diverse business functions, proving its versatility and value as a resource for AI-driven transformation. While the Agent Store truly offers plug-and-play solutions requiring zero modification, it also provides a highly valuable middle ground: templates. Creating an agent using a template involves taking a pre-built structural foundation and applying minor, customized tweaks to perfectly align it with your specific organizational context. This approach is highly favored because it effectively bypasses the daunting blank page syndrome of building an agent from scratch, while still offering enough flexibility to ensure the tool feels native and seamlessly integrated into your team's unique workflow. It's the best of both worlds, balancing speed with tailored relevance. When you select a template from the Agent Store, such as a client meeting prep template, the core logical instructions are already embedded. The template inherently understands that it should scan calendars, find recent email threads with specific external domains, and summarize open action items. However, to deploy this effectively, you must configure its outer layer. Upon selection, Copilot guides you through a brief configuration wizard. You'll be prompted to provide a custom name, like Contoso Sales Prep Bot, and a description. This description isn't merely aesthetic. It serves as a vital contextual cue for your colleagues, clearly explaining the agent's function and optimal usage. Depending on the template, you might also define minor behavioral constraints, for instance, specifying which internal SharePoint folder the agent should prioritize for product data sheets to attach to meeting prep. Now, let's consider a scenario illustrating a critical architectural decision: store agents versus custom agents. Imagine the human resources department at a rapidly growing logistics company. The HR team is facing a severe bottleneck, overwhelmed by hundreds of repetitive employee emails each week asking basic questions about the new remote work policy, updated health benefits, and expense report submission processes. The HR director realizes they urgently need an AI assistant to handle this Tier 1 support triage, thereby freeing the human team to focus on complex employee relations and strategic hiring. The director knows a co-pilot agent is the answer, but they face a crucial decision. Should they simply download an HR FAQ assistant from the Microsoft Agent Store, or invest the time to build a fully custom agent from scratch?